Hello, class again. Today we are going to have a bit of a different class. I have brought my television, okay, and as you can see, when it focuses on the television, I go a bit dark, but don't worry, okay. When I need to speak directly to you, I will appear again. Okay, so today we are going to talk about should and shouldn't. Okay, just come off here. Right, perfect. Now, should or shouldn't is to talk about an activity of giving people advice. So, when we want them, if they are sick and they need to go to the doctors, we would say should. Okay, so I'm going to show you some images now. Okay, as you can see, these images quite well here. Okay, we have the word up here: smoke, visit, wash, sleep, wear, go. And on the other side, brush, eat. There's two eats here we're going to see. Watch, drink, play, and do. Now, each word of these are going to fill into one of the actions we have on the screen, okay? But they are also going to teach us the should and the shouldn't, okay? So let's have a look at these words. Let me bring the camera a bit closer. Okay, right. Smoke. Smoke is an action. Okay, smoke. Now, what would we use? Would we use should or would we use shouldn't? You, okay, of course, shouldn't smoke. Smoke isn't good for you. To smoke is not good for you. Okay, so we of course then would use shouldn't. What about exercise? First of all, we are going to use the verb do. Do. Do what? We are going to, you should do exercise. Some exercise every day. So you should do some exercise every day. You, look at this one here. You, too much alcohol. Alcohol, beer, P2. Let me give you some other types of vodka. Okay, these are alcohol drinks. Now, would we use should or shouldn't? The action, of course, is you shouldn't drink too much alcohol. And the one beside it, you too many sweets. What do you think? The action would be eat. You shouldn't, okay, you shouldn't eat. You shouldn't eat too many sweets. And here, one beside it, just for one more activity, you your teeth after every meal. Now, what would be the action? Of course, the action is brush, and we would use should. So, you should brush your teeth after every meal. Now, when we talk about should, the good thing about should is that we don't need to add any changes to it. Remember present simple, you have to add es, ies, okay? Remember the last class we had, we used the ing, we had to put an extra an extra T or an extra M or an extra whatever plus the ing? Well, with should, all you are going to do is you are going to add should before the verb. So you should, you shouldn't, you should drink, okay? And you should check on the site, okay? Learn English kids .british council.org, okay? So you should check that out and do some exercises there with should or shouldn't, okay? So this was a very simple class with a very simple verb structure which will help you give advice to other people, okay? So now go on to your website or go on to the internet and check out some more exercises in Learn English Kids .britishcouncil.org, okay, ORG, and you will be able to do some more exercises on should, okay? Until next class, and don't forget to wash your hands every time you have to. Don't put your hand in your mouth nor in your eyes, okay? And take care of yourself until next class.